Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can customize the taskbar icons in Windows 11. So Windows 11 now lets you resize taskbar icon without any registry hacks or third-party apps. And in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can customize the size of your taskbar icon step by step. But first, you need to make sure your Windows 11 is up to date because this feature is rolling out in the latest update, especially for users in the Insider Preview. So you first need to go to the settings and go to the Windows Update, and in here you can click on check for updates. After that, you should be on at least the Windows 11 24 H2 or higher. And to change the size of your taskbar icons, you can just right click on your desktop and then choose personalize. This one. And then you can just scroll down until you see the taskbar options. This one. Click on it. Scroll down again, and here click on this taskbar behaviors, and you'll see the taskbar size options. So you can just choose between small for compact icons, medium for default size, or large for bigger touch-friendly icons. And you'll see the icon adjust instantly, no restart needed. And that's how you can resize your taskbar icons in Windows 11. If you like this video, you can drop a like, hit subscribe, and click on the thanks button. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!